welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be testing out the cloves and rosemary water to regrow my edges. So now let's get into the video. So first thing I'll be needing is rosemary. You can also get it like this if you are in Nigeria from the northern guys in the marketplace, and it is very affordable. This is cloves, and this is the second ingredient I'll be using for today's recipe. Of course, I'll be needing a bottle. Open it up, put in 1 tablespoon of rosemary and about 1 tablespoon of cloves. And of course, I added a little bit extra and pour in some water. I'm just eyeballing this. There's no specific measurement to it. Cover it up with the lid and then leave it for 24 hours. This is how my edges are looking, and this is why I have decided to try out cloves and rosemary water as a remedy to regrow my edges. So this is the mixture after 48 hours. 48 hours because I forgot mine. I forgot about it where I left it. So this is how it looks like after 48 hours or 24 hours. Of course, get an empty spray bottle. This is after sieving, and this is the end result. You can still add in water into that and keep that, of course, to get all the nutrients out. I'll pour this into my spray bottle and then cover it up and start using it. As you can see, this is really easy and very affordable to do. So I am going to spray this on my edges and massage it in real good. So I'm going to take my time to really massage this into my scalp. Of course, you don't just want to spray this and then leave it like that. You also want to massage this thoroughly into your scalp, so that way all the benefits and nutrients can get into your hair, get into your scalp, and then do the amazing work that they are meant to do. So this is how it looks like after massaging. Of course, it dries immediately. It doesn't stay on the scalp, especially if you massage it very well. This is day 7. This is the last day of me using cloves and rosemary water to regrow my edges. As you can see, there is a lot of difference and it looks way better than when I started. I couldn't film day 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 because I work during the week and I couldn't film everything. So here it is. I hope you found this video helpful. Also, do your own research on the benefits of cloves and rosemary for hair growth. People that were saying amazing things about it, and I decided to give it a try. What I can say is that it does work. So thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave down your comments below, and please subscribe to my channel. See ya.